comprendre.
I'm Mindy Pila.
I'm Rafi.
What's a wild animal in your country?
Snow monkeys. Lots of people go to Japan to see snow monkeys.
Tell me about snow monkeys.
They are brown and they have red faces. They live with their families. They are bigger than many types of monkey, but smaller than people.
What do they do?
They climb, play, and swim. They like the water.
Are they playing?
Yes, they are. And this snow monkey is swimming.
Is it eating too?
Yes, it is. Snow monkeys eat lots of different food. Plants, tree branches, insects.
Do you like snow monkeys?
Yes, I do. They're cool.
What's a wild animal in your country?
In Mexico, there are lots of iguanas.
What is this iguana doing?
It's sitting by the water. It's enjoying the sun.
Wow, it's big.
Yes, it is. It's bigger than a lizard.
What do iguanas do?
They eat plants and flowers. They sit a lot too. But they can run.
Do you like iguanas?
Yes, I do. I like lizards, iguanas and snakes. I want a pet iguana, but Mom says no.
What's a wild animal in your country?
There are lots of wild animals in South Africa. There are elephants, lions, rhinos, hippos. Look, here are some elephants.
Tell me about elephants.
They're bigger than other animals in South Africa. They live with their families.
What do elephants do?
They eat, they sleep. They like water. They play in water. The mums and the babies stay together. The dads go off.
Elephants eat a lot too.
Yes, they do. Do you know that an elephant can eat 140 kilos of food in a day?
Wow, that is a lot of food. What's a wild animal in your country?
There are lots of wild animals in Saudi Arabia, but I love sand cats. I think they're cooler than any other wild animal in Saudi Arabia.
Tell me about the sand cat.
The sand cat lives in the desert. You don't see them much in the day. It's easier to see them at night.
Is it different from a house cat?
It looks like a house cat, but yes, it's different. For example, it can live with no water. A house cat drinks water to live. Both types of cat like mice, but sand cats also eat small birds, lizards, and snakes.
Well, it does look like a cat.
Yes, it does, but they are very different. I think sand cats are cooler.